Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to book villa in Airbnb.com. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Airbnb.com and then make sure to sign up for an account. Okay, and then after that, what you're going to do here is to click on this where section. So you have to search for your destination. So for example, we have Cebu City, Philippines. And then for the checked-in dates, I'm just going to select 29. And for checked out, maybe 31. Okay, then after that, you have to add the guests. So we only have one adult and click on search after that. Okay, now right here, as you can see here, we have the results. Okay, so you just have to find the villa that you are looking for. But of course, you have to go to the filter section. Okay, that's right. So we have here any type, we have room only or entire room. So what I'm going to select is that the entire home option. Okay, so we have this amenities, the rooms and the beds. Okay, for the booking option, we have this options right here for the filters. And then for the property type, make sure to select house. Just have to select all that applies. Okay, so we have hotel, house, and apartment. After that, you just have to select the show option right here. Okay, so right here, you just have to find your villa. So, for example, this one. Okay, and then after that, you will then just have to reserve this one. So, you just simply click on the reserve option, and then you have to log in or sign up. You have to add a payment method, and you have to review your reservation. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.